video time again. I'm moving around here a little bit, so apologize for that. It's your boy Reed. Got another snap-on impact wrench. I put the green one up earlier, and this is the red one. Both of them are 1/2 inch drive. I think they got the same model, other than the fact that I did find out it's a CT8850O for orange, and the green one I had was CT8850G. I had it listed as a C, but it's actually a G. Now, this charger goes with the green one. The charger comes with the green one. This impact right here doesn't have a charger with it, unfortunately. But what I want to do was, I call it red, but let's just say it's orange. It's a snap-on orange. It's got a little less wear. It looks like it's not been used quite as much. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to put this battery in here so you can see that it is charged up. It did take a full charge, just like the gray one did. There's no bad signal coming from the battery charger about this battery. Okay. Again, this red one does not include the charger. So this is just this now. So let me go ahead. Right here and take this charger down. And I want to show this one here working. You see it's got the light. I think I looked this up. If the research I did right, somebody was asking about the torque of it. It's a 600 foot-pound torque. You can see it's kind of variable speed as you press the button. You can get a little less if you want. Goes forward and reverse, obviously. So there it is. There's your snap-on CT8850O. I wanted to go over it so you can see. I wanted you to see. Hopefully you can see the condition of it. Definitely used. Definitely been used. There's a little piece of sticker on there. Let's take that off. But anyways, there's not much to the video here. It's just wanted you to see it working. So you can make the light come on without actually running. If you just pull it just a little bit. And shine down with the light, making a flashlight out of it. It's got a torque on it, man. Those are good. These have always been good impact wrenches. It's always done good. The battery is a CT8850O. It matches the drill, obviously. And there's your snap-on impact 1/2 inch drive impact wrench.